For over 10 years, I have talked to drivers nearly every day who have been hurt in car wrecks. One of the questions I ask is, do you have uninsured motorist coverage or coverage? The response I often get is, I have full coverage. That response makes me very nervous for my client. That response usually means the answer is no. Usually when a driver thinks he has full coverage, what he actually has is legal coverage, or the minimum required by law. The state of Florida does not require drivers to carry insurance to protect innocent people they may physically harm. Florida only requires drivers to carry limited medical coverage called PIP and a minimum property damage coverage. PIP provides limited protection for the driver, not the innocent people that driver may hurt. You can drive on the roads in Florida with legal coverage and yet have no protection for serious injuries caused by someone else. Florida law does not require drivers to carry bodily injury or BI insurance to drive legally in Florida. BI insurance pays for injuries to others caused by a careless driver. If you are hurt by a driver who does not have BI coverage, 99% of the time, you will not be able to hold that driver accountable for the harm they caused. That means that you would be stuck paying your own medical expenses if your injuries are severe enough, even though the accident was not your fault. Statistically, for every 8 cars that pass you on the road, 2 of them have no insurance at all. They are driving illegally. Of those 6 remaining drivers, how many elected to pay for BI coverage, volunteer coverage they don't need to drive? Chances are, if you are hit by a careless driver, they will not have adequate insurance. The only way to protect yourself from being devastated by a careless driver who didn't bother to buy insurance to protect their victims is to purchase coverage. Coverage protects an injured person and their family when a careless driver either doesn't have enough BI coverage or has no BI coverage at all. Coverage is the flip side to BI coverage. Remember, BI coverage protects the other driver. Coverage protects you. Now, do you have insurance? Hopefully, the answer is not, I have full coverage. If your answer is, I don't know, or I'm not sure, you need to contact your insurance company immediately. Generally, you should purchase as much insurance as you can afford. The time to purchase coverage is before you are hit by an uninsured driver. After you've been in a car wreck, it's too late. If you have any questions about auto insurance, insurance claims, or what your rights are following a car crash, do not hesitate to give us a call. If you don't want to call, send us an email. Whatever you do, do not rely on an insurance company to advise you of your legal rights. With Taylor, Warren & Weidner, you never have to pay any fee or cost to learn your legal rights. I look forward to hearing from you if I can help.